slice me up one of those bad boys in there. Hey, this is Jeep's Rock. I hope it's not too windy. I apologize if it is, but I promised you that you're going to get to see our whole set up of our camp setup. So we've got our cooler right here. Got this really cool towel. Try to keep the theme. Even have little salt and pepper shakers. Pretty cool. But what we do here is this is the full extended part of the MORryde Trail Kitchen, and we've got our, again, we got our kind of a cabinet right here. We've got our full-size stove, and then you can't see it over here, but we even got like a little cutting board, and then we push this down and become like a little water basin so you can wash your dishes if you need to. But we're just going to get ready to just throw on some hot dogs real quick, and we're going to put some peppers and some mustard and just kind of mix it up a little bit. And then when we're done, we even have, you know, a little fire pit over to the side that we can roast some marshmallows. But it's a really cool little setup that we've got right here, really away from the elements. You can see behind me just tons of just lots of little trees and stuff, so a lot of fun stuff. But again, I wanted to show you real quick, again, we have the full size trail kitchen extended right here. Again, we've got our 300 cubic feet inches of storage. We've got our full-size stove. This is a Coleman stove. And then if you look over here on this side, we've actually got what's like a MORryde system, and we've got bags right here. We even we'll put our cups and stuff if we want to in it here, so that way we can stay real safe when it just gets too hot. But that's all here on the side, and because it is metal on the side, we've even added some magnets to our set of utensils and stuff that we've got here. We've got all our tongs and everything, and we can just lay it right here and you can just tear it quick. But again, we got even MORryde bags here down the side too, so this is fully using up all the space. If you look right here, we have a little bit of a gap right here, and this is where you could actually put, depending on what type size cooler you have, you could actually put like a Rotopack water here on the side if you wanted to. What we're probably going to do when we get back is, we realize that we're losing a little bit of space. We're going to try to make our own little bit of adjustment right here on the corner and try to push that in a little bit more. That way we're not using up so much space. But if you look here behind, see, I've also got my action packers here all the way in the back, so we're able to do that, and then we sneak our fire pit right here on the side. So that's our whole set. Again, we've got our whole cooler right here. This is a 52 quart cooler right here. We even got, you know, we've got one more apple, and we just want to set that up again. We really appreciate you following us all the way through our whole mini series. This is going to wrap it up. Again, this is our full-size kitchen. We've got everything. I mean, really, when we push this down, we even have like almost a kitchen sink almost with our water supply that we have, and then we have our full-size kitchen again with our full-size stove. So thanks again for watching Jeep's Rock, and again, I hope you enjoyed our MORryde Trail Kitchen mini series.